sana tama ako dito. Am I right in saying that you are holding a baso? Parang baso?
Yes.
Yes, thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, prepare your minds for the most sought-after mind reader in the Philippines, the mental assassin, Justin Pinyon!
Para sa mga nanonood ng live sa atin, ngayon lang tayo lahat nagkakilala, hindi ko kayo kasabwat, hindi nyo alam kung ano yung mangyayari buong show. If you agree with me, just nod your head. Tama ba? Yes, alright, good. Ang sinusubukan kong i-replicate is yung phenomena called remote viewing. Sabi nila, remote viewing is seeing through someone else's eyes. For example, nakapikit ako or naka-blindfold ako, nakikita ko yung nakikita ninyo through psychic abilities. However, I'm not psychic and I have no supernatural abilities. Pero parang nakapag-aral ako ng skills to replicate that phenomena. To show you what I mean, I'm gonna show you my blindfold. So this is some sort of a steel blindfold yan. Pag nilagay ko naman to sa camera, di ba? Wala kang masisilip diyan. Yan. Kasi nga steel siya. Yan. Kasi sobrang pag narinig niyo yung sound, yan kasi steel talaga siya. So I'm going to wear this and I'm going to try to level up yung tinatawag na remote viewing. Pero I'm going to ask you in a while to take an item, any item na pwedeng hindi ko alam. I'm gonna put my blindfold back. And I'm going to add one more thing para lalong hindi ko makita. So, I assure you, okay, I'm honest with you na walang nagsasabi sa akin or nag-feed sa akin ng kung ano man yung mga nangyayari, okay, since naka-blindfold ako. So, I have here, parang bag siya na black, okay, parang sack siya. Na hindi sobrang open yung makikita yung pag sinuot mo to. So, idadagdag ko to sa blindfold ko para talagang sure kayo na hindi ako nakakita. Now, pag nilagay ko na to, I'm gonna give you further instructions. Now, okay, here are my instructions. Tali ko muna to para sobrang hanggang sa ilalim wala ako makita. Pero you can still hear my audio, no? Yes? Alright. So the three of you, okay, 3 volunteers, I want you to get any object. Umpisahan natin kay volunteer number 1 kay Lira, okay? Now, I want you to imagine your item. Okay, imagine mo na nakahawakan mo talaga yung item na yun. And if you done it, just say yes.
Yes.
Yes, are you thinking of a parang color yellow-green, parang ganon? Does this make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah, I want you to think of, parang may naisip ka rin na transparent. I want you to think of the shape. Are you thinking of the shape?
Yes.
Yes. Unang pumasok sa isip mo, parang circle, parang cylinder-ish type. Tama ba?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Sana tama ako dito. Am I right in saying that you are holding a baso? Parang baso?
Yes.
Yes, thank you very much. Let's give her a big hand. Okay, next box. Okay, I want you to think of your item and say yes kapag naisip mo na.
Yes.
Yes, go. Okay, yes. Yung pagkasabi mo ng yes, yes, nakakamdaman mo. So I think this is an everyday item. Am I right?
Yes.
Everyday item. Parang necessity na siya. Tama ba?
Yes.
Yes. Can you please think of the color?
Yes.
Yes. I'm not sure, pero parang dominant color niya is black. Tama ba?
Yes.
Yes. This has something to do with technology. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes, you are holding, I'll go with this one, calculated guessing lang to, but am I right in saying that you're holding a cell phone?
Yes, tama.
Yes, thank you very much. Okay, last. Ma'am, I want you to think of your item. Isipin mo siya. Naisip mo na?
Yep.
Oh, yeah. Okay, mabilisan yung pagka-yep mo. Pero this is also an everyday item. Maybe a necessity also. Everyday item, a necessity. lagi kang meron nito, siguro lagi mong kailangan to. Can you think of the color?
Okay.
Alright, yellow? Tama ba, yellow?
Yes.
Yes, yellow, necessity, malambot. Siguro parang, think of the shape. Can you please think of the shape? Alright, I'll go with rectangle. Tama ba? Parang rectangle siya?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, oh, interesting. You're thinking of a paper bill, maybe specifically the 500 peso bill, tama ba?
Yep.
Yes, thank you very, very much.